Welcome to the Future Forward Youth Supply Chain and Logistics Summer Program, powered by the African American Women Trucking Association. This 4-week workforce development program is designed for youth ages 15 to 19 who are ready to learn real-world skills and career pathways. The program officially begins June 15th and is hosted at the AAWTA Power Lab in Doraville, Georgia. Before the program begins, all students and parents are required to attend a mandatory virtual orientation to ensure a successful start. Students gain the opportunity to understand how the full supply chain works, from raw materials to final delivery. They will gain operational hands-on experience by learning how warehouses function and how dispatching connects drivers and loads. Students will be introduced to warehouse structure, shipping and receiving, freight dispatching, and supply chain coordination. They will also explore entrepreneurship opportunities, including how to start a dispatching company and other logistics service businesses. This is more than a summer program. This is exposure, certification, leadership development, and workforce training. Students will participate in warehouse simulations, business pitch presentations, and professional development sessions. Early registration matters. Parents who register before June 1st will receive a free entrepreneurship starter kit valued at $149. Don't just keep them busy this summer. Help them build a future. Give your teen a skill that pays. Our goal is simple: to prepare the next generation of leaders with small class sizes and personalized instruction. If you are a parent, student, or sponsor, this program is for you. Visit our website today at AAWTA.org. Apply and register today. Space is limited to only 10 students per cohort. We look forward to helping you move your future forward. AAWTA, one team, one dream.